from Chiang Mai, Thailand. If you've been following along, you'll know that our last video was from Tbilisi, Georgia, where we completed our journey of traveling from Copenhagen to Tbilisi by train. We've actually been in Thailand for the last 3 weeks, and over the last 3 days they've been celebrating Loy Krathong, which many people know as the Lantern Festival. Right now we're in Chiang Mai on the third night for a big parade. We actually celebrated the main festivities yesterday a little bit outside of the city, so let's rewind to that and bring it back here and show you some of this. So the place we've come is Horizon Village and Resort. It's just outside of Chiang Mai, only like 10 kilometers, and it's huge. I think it's 115 acres, and they have a zoo, they have gardens, they have multiple swimming pools, playgrounds, bicycles for rent, paddle boats, a maze labyrinth thing. We've only just begun exploring it, but we did come up a day early before tonight's Lantern Festival celebration so that we could enjoy the nature. So we just checked into this event, and I've seen all the YouTube videos and stuff of like celebrations in Chiang Mai that are arguably more authentic, obviously more organic. They look incredible. They also look really, really busy, and I've had multiple friends warn us that there's like random fireworks going off. And you know what? Sometimes with a 4-year-old, we're just like a little bit less in the mood for that. We are gonna try to check out that tomorrow night, which I guess you've seen at the beginning of this video. But we opted for one of the big ticketed, I guess a little bit pricey, full disclosure. We are being hosted here in exchange for some footage. Events, and honestly it looks great. There's like local food, there's games that Hayes is gonna love, and we get one krathong and one there are games and one lantern for the sky. I think there's dancing. It's all very chill right now. I don't know, maybe you're judging us for doing the touristy version, but this has already been a wonderful stay, and we're just going into the main event now. I'm really excited, genuinely. If we can get Hayes to come with us. I think he's going to be excited too. None of us know what to expect. It's like, I don't know, it's been a while I feel since we've done like some cultural event thing that we like literally don't know anything about. It's exciting.
Now it's time for food. I did a little sneak peek and looks really good. It's all Thai food, which is great.
I would hope so. Did you see why they're there? What is that?
What is that?
For dinner?
Yeah, I want those pretty, please.
Hayes has got it right. Mango sticky rice first. My favourite. Out of all, there's a ton of food here. It's this Thai Northern sausage because it's so flavorful. It's delicious. Can we get some more? Hayes, on the other hand, is more interested in these little banana boats to float it in the swimming pool tomorrow.
Is that a boat?
Cheers, everybody!
Cheers!
Can you hold it? Because I'm going to eat it.
Okay. After dinner, we enjoyed a few carnival games that they had set up. I'll keep these clips on mute, as it seems that there's only one Loy Krathong song, and we heard it on loop for the entire event.
We need one more for Daddy.
Okay, krathong cup. Krathong cup.
What are we doing, Hayes?
We're going to float these.
Where?
On the pond.
Let's go.
Then it was time to float our krathongs. Loy Krathong is different than Peng, more on that later, but during Loy Krathong, krathongs, these beautiful baskets, are floated on the water to symbolize getting rid of your hatred, anger, and defilements.
This way, Hazy, come right here. Okay. You want me to help you?
No, I can do it.
Okay.
You might have to lie on your tummy, and then we can pass it to you.
Yeah, let me hold it a second.
No, I can't. I really can do it.
Okay.
I want you to do it. I don't want to do it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, just be gentle though, be gentle.
We're releasing our krathongs, and It says, tip. Reflect on the positive changes you wish the river's flow to bring into your life and offer a silent apology to the river goddess for the past misdeeds, symbolizing a fresh start. Okay.
Okay, you watch mummies?
Are you gonna push it off?
You got it?
This isn't it's not a river. I think that's why they have the like pumped water in. It's like a streamlined, efficient, I don't know. It's really fun. This might be like the sanitized tourist. It definitely is because they've just directed us to go watch the Thai boxing. It's touristy, but like it's a tourist dream. There's like mango sticky rice, there's Thai boxing, there's khao soi. There's gonna be lanterns. Like my philosophy is just to come enjoy it and own the fact that you're a tourist. I did get a new camera that's better at nighttime, but you can't convey how beautiful. All these little krathong look on the lake here.
Gorgeous, isn't it? I really enjoyed that.
While we waited for the main event, we enjoyed some traditional Thai dancing. During the event, we also had the opportunity to hang our own lanterns at the temple to welcome in a bright future. And there were a few different colors and meanings that we could choose from.
We're now buying a lantern, a hanging lantern for good luck. Well, prosperity, right? One was for wealth, money. The other one was for good luck.
Health.
Health.
Which one does Hayes want?
It's what's red, which is...
We could use that.
Thank you.
How do you say thank you in Thai?
Oh, okay, yeah. So we have to write something on it, right?
I want to ride a horse.
A heart?
Yes.
It feels a lot like that time we got totally different culture, but
I don't know how to put it
we had a very powerful Daruma doll that a friend in Japan gave us. We made a wish on, kind of a far-flung goal. And we achieved it, so we got us another one. And we did it again. And then we went back to Katsuoji Temple in Japan. I have a video, I'll link it somewhere, to return the doll. And I'll finish this before I'm impaled. And I'm hoping that this is as significant for our life.
All right, this way.
I can't do it.
Yeah, I'll do it with you. You ready? You did it.
There are actually two different festivals being celebrated around this time of year in Thailand. There's Loy Krathong with the floating baskets and Peng with the lanterns in the sky. Loy Krathong is celebrated throughout all of Thailand, whereas Peng is celebrated just in the north. And if you want to see the sky lanterns, it's best to travel a little bit outside of Chiang Mai, as in recent years they've been banned due to the threat that they pose to aircraft.
I kind of did that like a pro, didn't I? It's a good job we're doing this here, because if we were on our own trying to do this, well, firstly, you can't do it in the center of Chiang Mai.
Okay, somebody would help us out.
No, these guys, look, they're patching up our lantern. It's got a couple of
but
holes
Thai
in it.
people are like the nicest people in the world. I'm sure they're helping people all over the streets of Chiang Mai.
I'm just trying to. These guys. This is a really well organized and orchestrated event, and these guys are just the epitome of that, just helping everyone out with their holes.
I know I briefly said yesterday that this holiday falls on the full
เดี๋ยวรอ
moon.
สักครู่ค่ะทีมงานของเราดูแลอยู่ทุกโซนอยู่แล้วนะคะ
ใช่เลยคุณเชอรี่และแน่นอนคุณจะเห็นนางรำที่อยู่ด้านบนนั้น
That's
นาง
not a
รำจุด
lantern.
ไฟเมื่อไหร่เราก็จะเริ่มจุดเมื่อนั้น
Like, they're not kidding.
This is like traveling with a 4-year-old. This thing is just about to start, and he's like, I gotta pee. So we sent him off to the bushes.
After we release the
But he's got this habit of like, this is too much information. Hey, should we do this one? You wanna let it go? You wanna let it go?
Oh my god! I'm not expect to cry on YouTube today, but I haven't done this in a while.
Alright ตอนนี้ก็รู้ว่าเกือบทุกท่านเลยที่จะปล่อยโฟโต้นะครับ
Hey, we just had a proposal. I mean, good one. Stephanie's losing already.
I think they're heading to Chattanooga.
How many are there, Hazy?
I can count them. I can't.
Why?
ในช่วงเวลานี้นะครับผมขอให้ทุกคนอิ่มเอมกับบรรยากาศในงานนะครับ
We're back in the room now. By the way, it's our second night here, and this property is really lovely. We haven't showed you around because we focus on the Lantern Festival, but I just wanted to say I get really self-conscious when I get emotional because I feel like, I don't know, I make YouTube videos, so it seems like I'm doing it for YouTube, but I want you to know that I'm not a sensitive person. It does not happen that often. It happened a few times on our 1.5 years of travels. I remember the biggest one I remember is like on the top of Table Mountain, realizing I was at this like bucket list place, just like because we had casually decided to go to Cape Town. But anyway, I don't know the point of that. I just wanted to make that disclaimer, is that I did not expect for that experience to make me so emotional. Because I know Loy Krathong and the Lantern Festival is on like so many bucket lists, and I don't know that we're not like bucket list people. I've never really like thought like, okay, I can't die until I've seen the Lantern Festival in Thailand. And that's usually when I get emotional, is when I'm experiencing something I didn't even know to put on my bucket list that doesn't exist. Anyway, good night. Who are you calling?
Just seeing if we can come back next year.
Okay, so now you've seen the floating lanterns, the other floating and the river lanterns. We'll bring you back to real time, which is tonight, November 28th, the final night in Chiang Mai. By the way, you might recognize these guys. We happen to be in Chiang Mai at the same time as Raising Voyagers. They have an awesome YouTube channel. They're building a house. They also travel loads.
What a coincidence to be here at the exact same time. How small of a world it is to run into you guys at the same time we're in Chiang Mai. This wasn't planned. We didn't know they were going to be here.
A very happy accident, so yay! So we missed the lantern festivities last night here, I think, but tonight was Big Parade, which we just watched. There's oddly like a very big gap in it, so a lot of people, including us, have given up, and I think we're walking towards the river. I'm not sure why. We're a little bit hopeful that they're going to release lanterns, even though it's illegal. Some happened last night. Don't know if it will happen, but it's a lovely evening.
Located in the city of Chiang Mai.
Made it to the bridge, and I think I said this maybe yesterday that a few friends warned me of like random fireworks, which has my anxiety a little bit high.